everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Happy Reggae Month. Now, British actress Lashana Lynch lauds Rita Marley's strength at the UK premiere of Bob Marley's biopic One Love. Speaking with the press last evening on the red carpet, Lynch, who plays the role of Rita Marley, refers to her strength as indescribable.
It's a different level of regality within self in order to be able to even mentally get up. Because physically it's one thing, mentally and spiritually she's on a different level.
Meanwhile, Lynch says the film will show different facets of Bob that many have never seen before.
So well loved and revered around the globe, everyone's going to come in and want to see that Bob. You know, the Bob that they know, the Bob that they were raised with. This is a different Bob. This is an intimate Bob. We get to see details of him, facets of him that we haven't learned yet, that we unearthed whilst doing the shoot. So I hope that people are able to just sit with him in a new way and learn him in a fresh way.
The movie first premiered in Kingston, Jamaica last Tuesday, and according to data presented by President of JAMPRO Shillette Cox on Wednesday, the film is already making waves.
I have to share this. Last week, as you all know, Bob Marley One Love premiered in Jamaica, the first premiere. And within the first 12 hours of the premiere, based on numbers that I've seen, the premiere generated over £1 million in media value in the UK. And in the first 24 hours, 1.9 billion in the US. That's with the first 24 hours. We didn't measure or haven't measured yet what happened after London premiere, and the Hollywood premiere hasn't happened yet.
Now, Cox was speaking at the launch of the Jamaica Screen Development Initiative, where she announced substantial funds that will enable local creatives to develop more projects.
Over the last few months, as you heard Director Jardine mention, JAMPRO has been working with key ministries and film stakeholders to build on work that has been done and just waiting on the opportunity that could only come with funding. $1 billion is by no means small change.
Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Babsy-Grange, who was also in attendance, added that this initiative is in line with creative growth and development.
This occasion of the launch of the Jamaica Screen Development Initiative, that $1 billion have been earmarked for film and filmmaking in Jamaica is no small feat. And as the minister responsible for the creative sector, I speak on behalf of the sector of the difference this will make. Major. It's a big deal.
Jaria to kick off Reggae Month, honoring the Crown Prince of Reggae, Dennis Brown. Jaria's month-long of activities kicks off this evening with an honor to the reggae icon with acoustic conversations saluting Dennis Emmanuel Brown. The event will see a panel discussion as well as acoustic performances. Brown's music career began at the tender age of 9. By 13, he released his first album, No Man is an Island, with the legendary Cox and Dodd at Studio One. Brown died in 1999 from complications due to a collapsed lung. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.